Seasteading is the technology to vote with your house. If you don't like something, you can detach and move somewhere else. In the market, I don't vote on all of us getting one kind of ice cream. There isn't an ice cream monopoly that says, do you want us to produce chocolate or vanilla? And then everybody votes on whether we get chocolate or vanilla, and I hate vanilla and I want chocolate, and 51% vote for vanilla, and then I have to only have vanilla for 4 years. This isn't choice. It's pretending that we have choice. In a real world of choice, we would have as many flavors as we want. We have the power to choose among them. And then the ice cream providers have to hustle to please us because their flavors will go out of business if they don't provide something we like. And I'm from the United States. Americans agree on nothing. The one thing we do agree on is that the current system is not working and nobody is happy. So I think providing people a better place to go, where they can demonstrate something better and set a better example, is how you change things. Steve Wozniak did not change Hewlett-Packard from the inside. He proposed his designs for the personal computer 5 times. It was rejected 5 times. He took those designs, he quit. He loved Hewlett-Packard, he was loyal to Hewlett-Packard, he wanted to do it through them, and he had to quit, and then he co-founded Apple with Steve Jobs, and those designs became the initial personal computer. It's always better to break away and try something new than to try to press a little lever in a booth and hope that the world does what you want.